Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome to Community Coders. In this video, we will be looking into insertion sort algorithm and I will show you how we can perform it using Java. So let's get started. Insertion sort works similar as how we sort the cards. Okay, so we will consider that 10 is assorted and then we will be taking the next card and we will compare this with the previous cards and we can see that 10 is greater than 6, so we will shuffle them. Okay, so now this 6 and 10 are sorted. Okay, so this 4, we will take the 4 and we will check with this one. If it is less than it, we will be moving this here. If it is less than this also, then we will moving it here. So you can clearly see that 4, 6 and 10 are sorted. Now we will pick up the next card and we will compare it with the rest of the sorted part. We can clearly see that 9 is less than 10 and greater than 6. So we will be pasting this between that two cards. We will pick this one and we will check whether it is less than it, and we will stop whenever this one is greater than the element. Okay, we will compare it with 10, 9, 6, 4. So now we will be pasting it at the first position. Now you can clearly see that this all cards are in a sorted manner. Let's have the important points about the insertion sort algorithm. How insertion sort works? We assume first element is sorted and we will pick the next element, compare it with the elements in the sorted part, shift the larger element to the right, insert the elements at its correct position and repeat until the array gets sorted. Let's take one example, which is this. We will say that this 9 is sorted and we will take this 5 and we will store it in key. So our key is 5. Okay, we will shift that to its position. As we can see that we have stored this position in a key. So we will be shifting this 9 and at the end no any position to store the rest of the element. So we will pick it and we will store it here first and then we will shuffle this position here and then we will write the other elements as it is. Now we will be picking this element and we will store it in key. We will compare with the rest of the sorted part. Okay, so we can see that 1 is less than 9, so we will shift that 9. 1 is also less than 5, we will shift this position and we will get the rest another array which is 1, 5, 9, 4 and 3. Now we will take the 4 and we will store it in key. We will compare with the rest of the elements, so we will shift this 9. We will compare the 5 also, so we will shift it and 4 is greater than this, so we will stop here and we will paste that 4 or paste that key here in this position, at this position. So 1, 4, 5, 9 and 3. At the end we will be storing the key as 3 and we will compare it with the rest of the sorted part. Okay, so we will shift, we will again do the shift, we will again do the shift and we will get to know that 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. It is a sorted array. So this is how the insertion sort works. I'll show you how we can do it using Java. So let's head over to the coding part.
कमिंग टू कोडिंग पार्ट, मैंने एक एरे क्रिएट कर लिया और उसकी हमने लेंथ निकाल ली. उसके बाद एक हम फॉर लूप चलाएंगे जो स्टार्ट होगा i इक्वल्स टू 1 से, i इज लेस देन len और i प्लस प्लस. जो भी वैल्यू हमें इटरेशन की मिल रही है उसको हम की में स्टोर करेंगे और इससे पहले वाला एलिमेंट हम एक j लेते हैं जो भी रहेगा i माइनस 1. ओके, उसके बाद है हम while लूप लेंगे जो रहेगा j इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड की इज लेस देन array ऑफ j. और जैसे ये कंडीशन ट्रू होती जाएगी हम वैल्यूज को पुश करते रहेंगे राइट साइड में. ओके, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, array ऑफ j प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू array ऑफ j और j को हम माइनस माइनस करते जाएंगे. ओके, और आखिरी में जो भी j+1 जो वैल्यू रहेगी वो डुप्लीकेट रहेगी और उस पे हम की को असाइन कर देंगे। ओके, array of j+1 इक्वल्स टू की। ओके, और आखिरी में हम इस array को प्रिंट कर देंगे। So let's run this program now. You can clearly see that array is in sorted manner. I hope you like this video. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप टेलीग्राम चैनल पे पूछ सकते हो, मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उसकी लिंक डाल दूंगा। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल सो दैट चैनल के बारे में डेली अपडेट आपको मिलती रहे। एंड स्टे ट्यून, हैप्पी लर्निंग।